In today's video, I will walk you through how to check token supply and circulating supply on CoinMarketCap. To check token supply and circulating supply on CoinMarketCap, open your browser and go to CoinMarketCap. On the homepage, you will see a ranked list of cryptocurrencies. For this tutorial, select a cryptocurrency from the list. If you cannot find the asset you need, use the search bar at the top and enter the asset name or ticker symbol. Once you open the cryptocurrency page, you will see the asset details, including the price chart, current price, and percentage changes. You can adjust the chart time range to view different performance periods. To check the supply information, focus on the overview section where key statistics are displayed. This section includes information such as market cap, 24-hour volume, fully diluted valuation, and supply details. Locate the supply section to view the available token supply information. You will typically see circulating supply, total supply, and sometimes maximum supply. Circulating supply shows the number of tokens that are currently available and moving in the market. Total supply shows the number of tokens that currently exist, excluding tokens that have been burned. Max supply shows the maximum number of tokens that currently exist, excluding tokens that have been burned. Max supply shows the maximum number of tokens that can ever exist when this information is available. Some cryptocurrencies do not have a fixed maximum supply, so this field may be blank or marked as not applicable. You can also review the other statistics shown in the overview section. Market cap displays the current price multiplied by the circulating supply. The 24-hour volume shows the amount traded during the last day. Fully diluted valuation shows the estimated market cap if the maximum supply were circulating at the current price. To view more information about each metric, hover over the information icons next to the values. Read the definitions provided by CoinMarketCap for each section. When reviewing supply data, check for labels such as verified or self-reported. Verified information indicates that the supply numbers are supported by available data. Self-reported information means the data comes from the project and should be checked further. After reviewing the circulating supply, total supply, and maximum supply, you can repeat the same process for any other cryptocurrency on CoinMarketCap. Use the supply details available on each cryptocurrency page to check the token information you need. Thank you for watching.